Hello students, so do not miss out this Vedic math trick today as I'm going to tell you a trick which can make your calculation faster than your teacher, and I can teach you this in within 3 seconds only. So stay with me. So here I'll teach you how can you do the square root of perfect square numbers within seconds. So for that you need to learn the perfect squares for first 10 numbers which you must know already. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and so on. So here you can closely note that the square last digit of the square numbers are 149656949 So from that you can see to it when your last digit of a square is 1, the last digit of your square root is 1 and 9. Yes or no? Last digit is 1 in these two cases. So you have the two option of your square root, which is 1 and 9. When you have last digit as 4, then you have two options for the square root, 2 and 8. You can see when the last digit is 4, in these two cases, you have two options for the square root. That is 2 and 8. Let's see another one. When you have the 9 as the last digit of your square number, perfect square number, then you can have 3 and 7. Right? So for 3, you have the and for 7, you can see. And similarly, when you have the last digit as 6, so perfect square is 4 and 6, because 4 square is 16, 6 square 36. Last digit of square is 5, so square root is 5. If it's 0, then it's 0. Got it? Now, a perfect square will never end with the digit 2, 3, 7, 8. This is also very important. That a perfect square number can never end with 2, 3, 7, and 8. Only these numbers can be the last digit of a perfect square number. These are 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, and 0. For this, we just have to memorize if the last digit is this, and then we have then the last digit of the square root will be 1, 9, 2, 1, 9 for 1, 2, 8 for 4, 3, 7 for 9, 4, 6 for 6, 5 for 5, and 0 for 0. Okay, now and also you can keep these numbers also in mind. 10 square is 100, 20 square is 400, and so on up to 90 square 8100, and 100 square is 10,000. Now the trick begins. Here I will teach you how can you calculate the square root of 7744 within seconds. So now you know if the perfect square number ends with 4, so we have two options for the last digit of the number. What were these? When it's 4, then we have 2 and 8. We just have to memorize these two tables only. So 2 and 8 are the options for the last digit number of our answer. Now what will happen to the first digit number? How can we decide the first digit here? You can see for the first digit, this is 7700. So you can look at this table now. Now 7700 lies between these two numbers. Okay, 6400 and 100. So of course their perfect square must lie between 90 and 80 and 90, right? So this number must be between 90 and 80. This is clear to us now. And the last digit can be 2 and 8. So this is clear to us. And of course, if this is between 80 and 90, this can't go beyond 90. So 9 plus can't be the number. The first digit is fixed from there, and it will be 8. So we can have two answers here, either 82 or 88. So these are the two possible answers. Now we have to pick which one is the correct answer. So we will again go to that, and we will check that 7744 number is closer to which number here? Is it closer to 6400 or 8100? Of course, it's closer to 8100. So it's closer to the larger number on the larger side. Therefore, the bigger number 88 will be the answer here. So square root of 7744 is 80. I hope you have understood it. Let's